Did you know that your smartphone, your laptop, and even a powerful AI system like ChatGPT all depend on tiny computer chips? And most of world's most advanced chips are made in one small island, Taiwan. So why is Taiwan so important, and why is the United States investing billions of dollars to build chips factory at home? Let's find out, and if you need more information, just check description box. You will find the full article. Every modern technology need computer chips. They are the brain inside smartphone, computer, cars, medical device, and AI or artificial intelligence system. These chips are made from micro transistor. The smaller the transistor inside a chip, the faster and more energy efficiently is it becomes. That's why you often hear about 5 nanometer, 3 nanometer, and soon 2 nanometer chips. These are some of the most advanced technology ever created. The world leading chips manufacturer is TSMC, based in Taiwan. That company produces more than 90% of the world's most advanced semiconductor chips. Its chips power Apple devices, AI processor, high-performance computer, and many other technology. Making these chips is extremely difficult. The factories must be cleaned cleaner than hospital operation rooms. Especially machines use advanced light technology to create microscope circles that are only a few nanometer wide, thousands of times smaller than human hair. Only a few companies in the world have the technology to do this. In recent years, global supply chain problems showed how risky it is to depend on one place for such important technology. Because of this, the United States asked TSMC to build factories in America. The company is now building a huge campus in Arizona. Its first factory has already started producing 4 nanometer chips, with the future plans for 3 nanometers and 2 nanometers production. The goal is to strengthen American chip supply and reduce dependence on overseas manufacture. Not really. Building advanced advanced chip in the United States is much more expensive. Labor costing are higher. There are a few specialized suppliers and experienced engineering are harder to find. Taiwan has spent too much to building and complete microcontroller ecosystem. Because of that, experts believe Taiwan will remain a global leader in advanced chip manufacture for many years, even as a production expands in the United States. Chips have become one of the world's most valuable technology. They powerful artificial intelligence, smartphone, cloud computer, electricity vehicle, and even defense system. The race to build the world's best ships is only getting bigger. What do you think? Will the United States reduce its dependence on Taiwan? Share your opinion in the comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more exciting technology video.